Morning guys, just at a job, having a quick break while the water barrel fills up. And if you've noticed, I finally got the correct gauge suction tube, and what a difference it makes. It's got a filter on the bottom of it, and they gave me this contraption which was meant to fit straight into my pump, but someone somewhere along the way, either me or Rutland Pumps, got the spec wrong, so I Frankensteined it with this joint, these two joints here, and then yeah, this is a filter inside of it as well. And yeah, I've taken off my pressure gauge because it leaks when I use the 30-meter hose for some reason. I don't know why it doesn't leak with the other hose, but it leaks with this one for some reason. And yeah, we're at it today with 3000 psi, which I haven't had for a long time because I haven't had the correct litres per minute coming out of my water source, whereas now it can take at whatever rate it likes. And yeah, Hyundai HYW 4000 psi petrol machine. I've never used it at 4000 psi because that's just like madness. Like it's very unlikely I'll ever need that. A little blackbird scooting around on my moss. But yeah, so this is the driveway. It's very big. I'll take you for a little walk around. It's all going to drain down there onto the road, so I'll have to sweep that up. Customer said I could use the green bin. I've just been cutting in the edges, getting a nice border going. And yeah, look at that grime line. I think that's going to come out really nice, especially after a chemical treatment. So yeah, just having a little smoke, and yeah, we'll get back to it.
Yeah.
Oh man, I'm hot. Alright boys and girls, it's the driveway all soft washed. Trying to get around the back. My hose is stuck in the door. There we go. Right, so this job's actually quite big. I think I mentioned earlier about there being a patio around the back as well and some path. So this is what the driveway sort of looked like before. And I've got all this path all the way along up there. And I'm not really doing anything with the wall. And I've got this patio which is like littered with black spot, lichen, you name it, algae, all kinds of crap. But it has good drainage. So the plan is finish what I'm doing today, and if it dries out nicely enough, I'm going to sand it as well, just the front, and then tomorrow I will clean all of these areas, and yeah, that will be it'll be a nice day tomorrow. But it's going to be 2 videos because it's so big. Like this driveway I'm doing, it may not look it in the footage as such, but I mean, I started at 8:30. It's now, let me see, it's now 1 o'clock and I've only just laid the soft wash treatment down because I've been non-stop as well. I've only stopped once for a coffee that my dad brought down actually, because he lives around the corner and he knew I was here, so he dropped me a coffee, which was nice. So yeah, I'm going to let this dwell for about 20 minutes while the bin fills up, and then yeah, we'll rinse it off. And where's the sun? The sun's coming round that way, which means it will dry the area that's under shade behind me there, and then yeah, I'll get it sanded this afternoon.